Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia. Google Drive is a free service from Google. It allows you to store files online and access them anywhere. It also gives you access to free web-based applications for creating documents, spreadsheets, and many more. In this video, we'll learn how to use Google Drive. So let's get started. Google Drive is already installed in your mobile. If not, open Play Store, type Google Drive, and download it from Play Store app. Then from your mobile phone, open Google Drive. This is the Google Drive page. Into this page, to the right side corner, click on this icon. You can change your account through this option. To the left side, you can view all your Google Drive options. Into the recent option, you can view all your recent files and folders. Through offline option, you can view all your files and folders you made offline to watch. Trash contains all the deleted files. Next is notifications. You can see all your notifications. Backups. In backups option, you can see all your backup files. Into the setting option, here it shows total storage provided by the Google. So total storage provided by Google is 15 GB, which is for free. If you want more, you can upgrade the storage, but you need to purchase this storage. Google provides a good amount of storage, that is 15 GB. Then last is storage option. Here you can view your storage. Here I have used 330 MB out of 15 GB. So that is total 2% of my storage. So next to the home option. In the home option, you can view all your files and folders in this form. Then towards the star icon, you can view all the important files you marked as star. Then in shared option, you can view all your shared files and folders. Then into the files option, there are two options are available, My Drive and Computers. Into Computers, using this option, you can connect your Google Drive to your computer. Then into the My Drive option, into the Name option, here you can sort all your files and folders by last modified by me, last opened by me, and storage used. You can sort your files and folders using this Name option. Towards the right side, through this option, you can view your files in the form of folders or in the form of the name. Then above Files option, there is a sign plus. Using this, you can create new file or folder. First option is to create a file or folder. Click on Folder option, type your file name, click on Create. Here you can see Test1 folder is created. Then in the Test1 folder, to the right side, click the three vertical dots. Here you can see first Test1 is the name of my folder. Then Share option. Using this option, you can share this folder with your friends and families. Then next option is used to mark your folder important. Then you can mark it as linked sharing off and on. You can copy the link of your folder and share it. You can even rename your folder. Click on Rename. You can see now my folder is renamed. More options are available. Next option is Change Color. Into the Change Color option, you can change the color of your folder. Now you can see the color of the folder Test5 is changed. Next option is add shortcut to drive. You can add this folder as a shortcut to your drive by this option. Move. You can move one folder into the other. I will select test and click on move. Now you can see I have moved my test file folder into the test folder. To know more about your folder, details and activity option can be used. Then add to home screen. Using this option, you can directly add folder to your home screen. For example, I'll add to home screen. Check on your home screen of your mobile phone. Here you can see test folder is added. Last option is remove. You can remove your folder by clicking the remove option. Here you can see the folder test is deleted. So in this way you can create your folders in Google Drive. Then again to the plus option, you can see upload option. Using upload option, click on upload option. Using this option, you can make your files visible offline also. Click on the file or image you want, then download it. I'll off my mobile data. Now you can see even if my mobile data is off, I can view my picture offline. So you can download your document or file from Google Drive and make it visible even offline. And again to plus sign. Next, third option is scan. You can even scan your files and documents using Google Drive Scan. To know more about this, watch my video on Google Drive Scan. Last three options are available: Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. These are the three services provided by Google. You can use these services. So friends, this was all about Google Drive and how to use it. I hope you learned from this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends. Thank you for watching.